Generate QR codes in Excel, easy and fast. Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to generate QR codes in Microsoft Excel quickly and easily, without any extra software. Step 1. Enable the Developer tab. First, we need to use the Developer tab. But if you don't see it in your tab, don't worry, just follow these steps. 1. Right-click anywhere on the empty space in the ribbon. 2. Select Customize the ribbon. 3. Find Developer in the list. Check the box and click OK. Now, you should see the Developer tab appear in the ribbon. Step 2. Insert the Microsoft Barcode Control. 1. Click on the Developer tab and select Insert. 2. From the drop-down menu, click More Controls. 3. Scroll down and find Microsoft Barcode Control 16.0. If you can't find Microsoft Barcode Control 16.0, don't worry. You just need to follow one additional step. Step 3. Install a language pack, if cannot find Microsoft Barcode Control 16.0. 1. Click File, Options, Language. 2. Click Add a language and select Chinese, Simplified. 3. Uncheck Set as Office Display Language and click Install. Four. Restart Excel after installation is complete. Once you've done this, go back to Developer tab, Insert, More Controls, and now you should see Microsoft Barcode Control 16.0. Step 4. Generate the QR code. 1. Select Microsoft Barcode Control 16.0 and click OK. 2. Click and drag to create a barcode on your worksheet. 3. Right-click the barcode and select Properties. 4. In the Properties window, click Custom and then the three-dot icon. 5. Under Style, select 11, QR code and click OK. Now, your barcode will transform into a QR code. Step 5. Customize your QR code. You can customize the QR code by setting the value field. For example, enter Meta Genius Academy. When scanned, it will display this text. You can also enter a website URL, like YouTube channel, so people can scan it and visit directly. That's it. Super easy, right? No need to use third-party websites. This method is safer and faster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Learning something new will brighten your day. See you in the next video.